delivering quality roofing for a happier customer. That's Skycore roofing system. Okay, this project we are the brand said. Clients need the money share, sir. It's around Agape, a secret roofing, sloping over this and a slope in the wall at that side. You should know a good concrete gutter on that side. So as you can see, it's very much on Monday and a Tuesday, and branch and the bar side, and then Wednesday we are almost done. Both the ceiling joint, the 2x4 and the 2x3 pellets in the afternoon. We understand. For a quality work, for a quality finishing, there. And one is Skycore roofing system. That was all here. And this is the ongoing woodwork. Do you get it? If you have the roofing sheets in the bed, bro. So for this one, how I have to slope, come on, so it to goose, no, yeah, the bed, the best I couldn't remember it straight. How you go concrete gutter and a slab area na the bed. The what has seen. So this one, the accessories I require the sheet wall and then the wall cap and the better copy in so on. So the sheets no goose wall. The better walls in me with the sheet no near there. The sheet wall so near the wall cap by the bed. Atoso. Senior, you see talk on a good copy now my na. Okay, copy now my what this side the blog work na ya. You see to a. Ain't to be the perfect fan home. Your friends and she's not sheet one ahead of me. I want to say no. A man in cause leakage, and I say, and cause a problem, and say it you. For a quality finishing, for a quality work done, there, then a Skycore roofing now. Also to do which money at the bank. The more. Skycore, you always say above expectation, above the rest. Friend, and I say, friend, you wage money more. A quality work there, quality finishing there. Then, friend, and I say, near projects no, amount. Ngo focus here masters in secret roofing. Eba secret roofing. Say bia o ye secret roofing ko na pe masters pa our roofing industry we mu dia then Skycore. Men hwe bibia, men ko bibia. Just friend, the enteke we juma no ema. Skycore above expectation, above the rest. Me that's. Nyame ani ni a